Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am here to introduce you the historical background of optimization technique along with recap of introduction and basic of optimization technique. For the sake of convenience of the student, I would like to take the notes of Indian Institute of Science prepared by one of our colleagues. I hope this is very much meaningful for you. And the historical development and model building. This is also one of the concept related utilization of optimization technique. An objective of optimization of the basic is to understand the need and origin of optimization method and get a broad picture of the various applications of optimization method used in engineering. Once again, I would like to say you that what is optimization? The act of obtaining the best result under the given circumstances. The act of obtaining the best result under the given circumstances is called optimization. Whatever the circumstances you have, whatever the circumstances of the industry is, but your target is to get the best result. That generally remains the part and parcel of the orientation of any activity in any industry is to get maximum and the best result, that is optimization. Optimization is used in design, construction and maintenance of engineering system, involve decision making both at managerial and technological level. The goal of such decisions is to minimize the effort required or maximize the desired benefit. Means minimize the effort and maximize the benefit. Optimization defined as the process of finding the condition that give the minimum or maximum value of the function, where the function represents the effort required or the desired benefit. And now on your screen here is historical development. Existence of optimization method can be traced to the days of Newton, Lagrange and Cauchy. Means optimization technique era starts from 15th century that relates these three legends of mathematics as Newton, Lagrange and Cauchy one by one. Means dates back 5,500 years back. This new computational branch started, which is now playing a vital role in your engineering. Development of differential calculus method of optimization was possible because of the contribution of Newton and Leibniz to calculus. Foundation of calculus of variation, dealing with the minimization of functions, were led by Bernoulli, Euler, and some others. The method of optimization of constant problem, it involved in inclusion of unknown multipliers, became known by the name of its inventor Lagrange. Cauchy made the first application of the steepest descent method to solve the unconstant optimization problem. High-speed digital computer made We are now talking about recent history. That was the means modern history. That was the ancient history of optimization. High-speed digital computer made implementation of the complex optimization procedures possible and stimulated further research on newer methods. Massive literature on optimization technique and emergence of several well-defined new areas in optimization theory followed. Work by Kahn and Tucker in 1951 on the necessary and sufficient condition for the optimal solution of problems laid the foundation for later research in nonlinear programming. The foundation of game theory were laid by Newman in 1921, applied to solve several mathematical, economic, and military problems, and more recently to the engineering design problem. Stimulated annealing, evolutionary logarithm, including genetics algorithm, and neural network methods represent a new class of mathematical programming techniques that have come into prominence during the last decade. So students, here are some engineering application of optimization. Design of a structural unit in construction, machinery, and in space vehicles. Maximizing benefit, minimizing product cost in various manufacturing and construction processes. Optimal path finding in road, network, freight handling processes. Optimal production planning, controlling and scheduling. Optimal allocation of resources or services among several activities to maximize the benefits. Art of modeling is also part of optimization. The modeling means collection of data, problem definition and formulation, model development, model validation, evaluation or performance, model application and interpretation of results. These are the part and parcel of optimization historical background. Now in the next class, we shall discuss about the problem of optimization. Thank you very much. Thanks.